Well, I don't think the president has a worldview. I don't think he has a philosophy or a grand strategy, and he doesn't follow policy. It's about his personal instincts at any given moment, always focused on his reelection. But I've never seen a president, never read about a president, never experienced a president who didn't have some kind of guiding strategy other than his own political fortunes. Every president, every political leader in a democracy takes politics into account. No secret there.
So other presidents were also interested in re-election?
Absolutely. This is the only president, to my knowledge, that has had almost no other interest than his re-election.
Well, President Trump doesn't seem to have a great relationship with China either. So how would you get China to do basically the heavy lifting for the United States and the rest of the world vis-a-vis North Korea and the nuclear weapons program?
Right. Well, I think Trump's relationship with Xi Jinping goes up and down depending on the prospects for Election Day. And if Trump wins re-election, I think Xi Jinping will be his big buddy once again. But that also exposes another real problem, I think, in the Trump presidency, which is his confusion of the state of personal relations between two countries' leaders and the fundamental underlying relations between the two countries. He equates one with the other when it's clearly not the case.